Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra, and today we are starting a new series. We're gonna start my Birthstone gemstone series. Yeah, I'm going with Birthstone series. Very excited about this one because I love jewel tones. And the first one that we're doing is for February, and February's birthstone is Amethyst. And purple is one of my favorite colors to use, as most people know by now. I am very excited. I actually filmed this video once already, but I'm using a new camera setup, so it didn't record most of it. So hopefully today will be a different story. Hopefully today will work. Hoping. I'm also using a new mic today. So let me know what you guys think of the audio. And yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Also, this backdrop. Can we take a minute for this backdrop? It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's get into some makeup, shall we? Okay, so now that my hair is pulled out of my face, I'm gonna go in with primer. And for today's primer, I'm gonna be going in with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer and the Tatcha Silk Canvas Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. Really like going in with a moisturizing primer first, especially since it's been so cold. Your skin will thank you. And I have some face demons going on, mostly stress related. Some because the weather has been changing quite a bit. And for foundation today, I'm going to be taking a combo that I've been really enjoying. I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation and the Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. So what I've been doing is taking the stick foundation first and just going over any problem areas that I have, or any spots that have more redness, and then just buffing it in with a brush. And then I'm gonna be going in with the Reboot Foundation and a beauty blender. And for concealer today, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 110. And then I'm going to quickly set the under eyes with the 110 Powder Foundation from Fenty Beauty as well. And for bronzer and blush today, I'm actually going to be taking two cream products. So for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with this Charlotte Tilbury, I think this is the Contour Wand. And then I'm going to be taking some of the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush. Now to set the rest of the face, I'm just going to be taking this setting powder from KKW Beauty. And for highlighter today, I'm going to be taking this purple highlighter from Fenty, and this is in the shade 7 Day Weekend, which would be nice. Can you imagine having a 7-day weekend? Oh, Delightful. Now for eyes, I am going to be using this palette for the entire look. This is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and I'm not going to be using anything else, which is a little bit of a challenge for me, mostly because I like to have neutral transition shades. I usually start off with one. As I was saying, I do like to use transition shades. They're my go-to. It's usually how I start off every look. This palette does not have one, but I'm not going to be using any other palette. So to start off, I'm going to be taking this lighter shade in the corner, and I'm going to be using that as a transition shade. And really buffing it in so that there's no harsh edges. And bringing it up a little bit into the front of the eyebrow. Now I'm going to take this flatter eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the darkest shimmer right here. I'm going to pack that onto my brush. And I'm going to start layering that on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, now taking a smaller eyeshadow brush, a little bit thinner, a little bit smaller. I'm gonna go in with this medium purple shade in the corner. And for inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking the same highlighter shade that I used earlier. And then I'm going to be taking that shade up into the beginning parts of the crease as well. So now I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm going to be doing that with this darkest matte purple in the palette here. I mean, part of me feels like this needs more. Ooh, I know. To really just kick it up a notch into the amethyst. I mean, have to do amethyst right. So, to really take this amethyst look to the next level, I'm going to be taking this glitter pigment from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade In the Moment. Don't know if they still have this. If they don't, I'm sorry. But if they do, you should get it because it's beautiful. For lashes today, I'm going to be taking these Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes. And this is in the, not shade, in the style Dreamy. So I'm gonna go put those on and I will be right back. Okay, so while my lash glue is drying, I'm gonna move on to lips. And for lips today, what do I want to do? I mean, I'm acting like I'm not just gonna do the same thing I always do. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna take this dark burgundy lip liner and line the outside of my lips as per usual. If you're new here, then, you know, welcome to how I get bigger looking lips. You know, part of me wishes I liked doing my lips another way, but this way is just so good. Like, just nothing compares, really. It's just, and wait till we put gloss on top. I have a problem, guys. Oh, goodness. Okay, for lip gloss, I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Fussy. All right. Almost done. We're almost done. This wasn't that long. For you guys. For me, you know. For setting spray today, I'm gonna be going in with this Tarte Miracle Mist. To be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of this, but I got it in a boxy charm box. And this isn't a product I would go and buy. I would much rather get the Morphe setting spray, the continuous setting spray. But I'm out of that right now, so this is gonna have to do. All right, there we go. This is the finished look for the Amethyst Birthstone, the Birthstone for February. I think it's really pretty. I'm glad I put the glitter because I think the glitter just takes it to the next level. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video for Amethyst. Let me know what you guys think of this video quality and what you think of this sound quality. I am working with a new camera and a new mic right now, so hopefully the two together will create magic. Hopefully, we'll see. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my Instagram. Make sure you check out my other videos, I guess. Yeah, check out my other videos. I have some really good ones. I have my Disney Villains series that you can look at. I lost track of the videos that I have. But yeah, subscribe to my channel because I am trying my hardest to do 2 videos a week. That is my goal for this year, is to be doing 2 videos a week, but I will at least be doing 1 for sure. Obviously I didn't have one last week because I was setting up a new camera or getting a new camera and had to wait for some things to come in. But we're back in business now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what you guys want to see from me the rest of the month when I'm not doing Birthstone series. Yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.